Hi, I'm Tyler with the Wellens Land. Today we're out on a 40-acre tract up in Scotland, Arkansas. Surrounded by national forest. You can see here, we're sitting here on one of the creeks that runs through the property. With it being surrounded by national forest, there's a lot of trails. I mean, right here in the creek, there's multiple trails coming through here. So it's a good place to come out, come trail riding. A lot of deer, a lot of bear, and a lot of turkeys on this property. I used to actually hunt a property probably about 1.5 miles from here back 10, 12 years ago, and there's a lot of wildlife in this area for sure. It's off the beaten path, so not a ton of traffic in and out of here. And with it having a creek running through it, kind of gives you something to do year-round out here. There's still snow on the ground, so it gives you a unique look at it. You can see the topography of the land, the way it lays coming off the side of the ridge. You can see the benches and everything on it a whole lot easier than you can whenever it's just plain ground, no snow on it. So also with it being wintertime, you can tell the diversity between the oak trees and the pines. So this would be a great place to bring the family and trail ride during the summers, come out in the falls, enjoy hunting camp. Be a great place for spring, be able to come out and shoot some turkeys, get on bears in the fall, and a good place to shoot deer in the winter. Love to show this property to you. Reach out and let's set something up.